naman ang ginawa mo mga pag-asa kay Agnes? Asa ka?
Manyakis na pa doon!
People who got offended dito sa nangyari na to, they do not have an understanding of what humor is. Remember, those are college kids. Pilyo yung mga yan. Pag nag-joke yan, greens. Diba? But, does it mean that they are bad person just because they are laughing at some green humor, green jokes, dark humors? Diba? You can laugh about bad things without becoming a bad person. Pero dahil gustong-gusto nyong ipakita sa buong mundo kung gaano kayo ka-virtuous, gaano kayo kabait, gaano kayo ka-pure, gaano kayo kasikip, you are going to ban people from laughing at those kinds of jokes. As if kayo ang basihan ng kung ano yung nakakatawa at kung ano yung tama. Pa-white knight.
This is Pinoy Extreme.